Sunville, these. Got some shit on there or what?
No, it's real shallow here.
Oh.
You can see the ground at the bottom.
Oh, yeah. Going up there? Sucked my wig, apparently.
Oh no, the bends are gonna throw up together. Oh, double chuck. Double chuck.
Oh, that's the boat that's following him on the boat. Next year, guys, next year.
That says to me to be like the pitch of high-pitched motors. Neon lights at night. And be waving to something up in the air.
I will not pull that thing out at night. That thing will hit a tree in the middle of the night. Watch me hit Kelvin football.
Hey, somebody put an empty cool up there for me to aim for.
Look, is that a bald eagle? No. No, it's something else. What do you want?
What?
What'd you say?
Put an empty cool up there so I know where to land and try to aim for.
Imagine how the water just comes down that. It's warm in the sun now.
There we go.
All right.
Success.